Hello, Mr. Hanson here. I've got Geometer Sketchpad open here. I'm going to show you how to make a triangle first off. I'm going to go up to the line segment tool. I'll click on that. And then we're just going to do one click to drop a point and stretch it out. And there's our line segment. We'll do another click to release it. Now I've got to come up. I've got to highlight hover right over that and highlight the point. And then it's going to allow me to pull out another line segment from that point. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Hover over it, it turns blue. I'll click on the screen, come down, and wait till I'm hovering it over, and it turns blue, and then I'll click again to release it. Okay, now I've got my triangle. My next goal is to measure the angles of this triangle. I have to come up to my pointer tool, and then I'm going to click the endpoints in order. So I'll click it to highlight it, click that vertex of the triangle, and then click the last one. And so that's going to measure this angle right here. So then I'll go up and I'll tell it to measure the angle. Alright, so it pops right up there. So I've got ABC measured, and I'm going to do it again for BCA. And again, I'll measure the angle. Oops, something's happened here. Oh, this can't be highlighted. That's a good learning experience there. So let me do this again. The only things that can be highlighted are the endpoints that you're trying to measure the angle with. So C or BC and A, and then I will go measure, and now I've got angle highlighted there. Okay, good. Now the last measure that I have to do is CAB. So I'll start with C, click A, and then B, and go up, and I will hit measure the angle. Alright, now that I've got all three angles measured, what I want to do is tell Geometer Sketchpad here to take a sum of those angles. So I'm going to go down under measure and click calculate. Now the screen's going to pop up, and it's going to allow me, there it is, it's going to allow me to go ahead and click on this, the measure of angle CAB, and then I'll hit plus the measure of angle BCA, hit plus again, and then I'll click on measure of angle ABC. Okay, so I've got them all there, and now I'm just going to say okay. And it will pop up right here. It says the measure of CAB plus measure of angle BCA plus the measure of angle ABC is 180 degrees. Now I'm going to click off, so that's not highlighted. I'm going to have just these three segments highlighted. Let's do that by clicking on them. And I'm going to go up and hit display. Now what this is going to do is animate the segments so they're all moving around. And here they go. So now the segments are going to move around. You can see as they're moving, the angles are changing. You should notice that the sum of the angles is staying the same. What that is telling us through this investigation here is that all of the interior angles of a triangle will always measure up to 180 degrees.